Hello guys, welcome in another video. Today I'm gonna show you what I have here. Exactly here. All inside here. So what we are waiting, let's check it out. Our essential bike tools. Monkey mono, monkey wedge, and a tripod case. So first tool is the Hoodie 44. Next one, the fastener tie, both in Myanmar. Here we have a gear cable, spare parts and panniers. Spare parts for panniers. The monkey clip. 2 one-touch system for the panniers. 4 spokes in stainless steel. Bolts, couple of bolts and fastener tie. The bottom bracket branch, we never know. Cassette for the lock ring tool, and this one's from Shimano lock ring. Oh yeah, please. Here in this small pouch that we use for the pannier, we have 4 brake pads from Clark's, couple of spacers, some fastener tie. That's all. On the next one we have the monkey mono, and the first object is the 3M glove that I don't use so often because it's like a condom. KMC chain driller, pretty solid, very good. White grease, not so bad, just in case. Small plier, always useful to keep tight the fastener tie. 1 long user tire level. The pack tool that I'm been using for over 5 years, really good, but I miss one wrench. The adjustable wrench to use it with a kickstand to keep tight that bolt. We have the super glue, and after another classic multi-tool that we use for camping. Little bit useful. 2 long wrench for particular bolts. Here we have the triple spoke wrench, 3 vulcanizing patches, sandpaper of course to keep 3 chain connectors. Soris multi-tool from Kathmandu. Honestly, we don't use so often, and the screwdriver is very bad, as all multi-tools. Another very good wrench from Beta. Here valve cap, big patch if I have a big puncture. 1 valve pump adapter and 1 valve remover, very useful, especially when you want to remove all the air from the inner tubes. 6 patches, these are not mine, sorry. A headlight, and they use also as a tent light, but it's not good because you need to recharge with normal batteries. Give by Korean guy, it's a super glue. 2 tire levers because we have Marathon Plus. 1 chain driller to use with a wrench, not so bad. Here we have a flat branch for the pedal. Maybe I'm gonna take off from the tools. And then here we have the beautiful small screwdriver. I really like this one because I can put the bit inside there, inside the screwdriver. Next one is inner tube, and the last is the yellow flat lube oil from Joyce No Flats. Sorry wrench set I make for her, and here is the portable remover cassette. I don't know how to use it very well. I have also a spoke tool, but I destroyed the lock ring. Here in the NATO High punch we have the duct tape, another inner tube, never know, And the brake cable. Yeah, the brake cable. And the last is a spare chain. Well, it's just 7 gears, but I will link with the old one in case we destroy it. Another spare jump cord, just in case for the wear. And then here the BB air pump. That's really good because we can use it with 2 type of valve. Well, the quality is so-so because it's full plastic except the body. And I would like to have the indicator for the air. That's all. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and see you on the next one. Bye bye.